Hi, welcome back to Yummy with Mummy. Today we'll be showing you how to make chicken tikka. So the first thing we're going to be doing is preparing the marinade. So for that we'll start off by adding a tablespoon of garam masala, followed by half a tablespoon of turmeric. Follow that up with half a tablespoon of dana jeera. And by the way, all of these ingredients you can find at your local Indian supermarket. Follow that up with half a tablespoon of black pepper. Ground black pepper will do in this case. Half a tablespoon of corn flour. 1 tablespoon of citric acid. A tablespoon of salt. A tablespoon of blended garlic mixture, which is basically garlic blended in water. Similarly, 1.5 tablespoons of blended ginger, which is also ginger blended in water. 2 full tablespoons of blended green chilies. Half a cup of vinegar. Half a cup of oil. And in this case we're using canola oil. Half a teaspoon of Ajinomoto, and finally a 1/4 teaspoon of both egg yellow coloring as well as red food coloring. This will give it that signature classic chicken tikka color we're so used to seeing. And we will also add to the mix a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and finally 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so that's our mix. We're going to make sure to mix this all nice and well before we marinate it onto the chicken, so we'll show you that next. Okay, so in this step we'll be showing you how to marinate the sauce we had shown you earlier onto the chicken. Now marinade, we put that all in a blender for about 30-40 seconds, and that's what we're going to marinate onto this chicken. Now the important thing here is you want to make these little slits on the chicken as we're showing here, so that it becomes easy to marinate and so that the chicken soaks up all of that good flavor. So we're just pouring all of that there into the chicken right now, and the reason to have those slits is to make sure that the chicken fully soaks up all of that flavor. So use your hands, get in there, mix up the marinade into the chicken, and do this for at least a couple minutes, and then we'll move on to the next step here. So this is what the chicken should look like after it's been properly marinated. We will let this sit for about 30-40 minutes, and at which point we can then go out to the barbecue and grill this chicken. So we'll show you that in the next step. Okay, so here you can see we have the chicken on the grill, and it looks really good with the marinade, and we're cooking it on about medium to high heat, and we'll be cooking this for roughly 15 minutes more, and I'll show you what it looks like once we're done. So after barbecuing, this is what the chicken looks like. It looks really delicious, and we're serving this with a side of naan as well as the sauce that we used for marination. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, like. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Subscribe, and we'll see you next time.